Looking for a way to boost your energy and confidence? Let's talk about Erectonin Md. Erectonin Md is a male enhancement gummy supplement that promises to help with performance, energy, and drive levels. It comes in gummy form, which makes it easy to take daily. No pills, no mess. So, what's inside? The main ingredients are Tungcat alley, L-arginine, maca root, and the horny goat weed. These are natural ingredients that have been used for years to support blood flow and energy levels. How does it work? Let me tell you. The formula helps increase blood flow throughout your body by widening blood vessels. Better blood flow means stronger results when you need them. It also works to support your testosterone levels naturally, which can help with drive, stamina, and overall vitality. The ingredients work together to give you better results over time. User reviews are mostly positive across the board. Many guys report feeling more energy and vitality after just a few weeks of daily use. Some say they notice better performance in the bedroom and more confidence throughout their day. Most results show up typically around week 3 or 4 with consistent use. The key is taking it every single day. The good news? There's no major side effects reported. Since it's made with natural ingredients, most users don't experience headaches or stomach issues. However, some people may have mild bloating at first. The downside? It is not instant. You need to take it daily for at least 4 to 6 weeks to see real results. It also contains sugar since they're gummies. Price varies depending on how many bottles you buy. Buying in bulk saves money. Most packages come with free shipping. They offer a money-back guarantee as well. One important warning is that only buy from the official website. Fake versions do exist on Amazon or eBay. So, is Erectonin Md worth trying? If you want a natural, safe way to boost your energy and performance without prescription drugs, it could definitely work for you. Just remember, consistency is absolutely key here. It takes time and daily use to see real, lasting results. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.